Keto diet for beginners, 5 tips that can make the transition to ketosis easier. Here are some tips that can help you. 1. Drink sufficient water. Fluid secretion occurs more in keto diet as it is a low-carb diet. Drinking sufficient water and eating hydrating foods is thus of crucial importance. Beginners of keto diet need to ensure that they drink ample amount of water through the day. Hydrating foods like cucumber, lettuce, spinach and kale can also be good options as they are also low in calories. Proper hydration can also keep your cravings in check. 2. Eat healthy fats in the right quantity. Fats are the primary source of nutrients if you are following a low-carb keto diet. To keep yourself from starving and craving food all the times, make sure you eat good fats in filling quantities. We don't imply overeating here. The idea is to satiate your hunger properly and not stay hungry at all. Processed and trans fats need to be off the table. Homemade butter, ghee, avocado, coconut oil, cheese, fatty fish olive oil and almond oil are sources of healthy fats that must be part of your diet. 3. Do not eat starchy vegetables. Beginners may find it difficult to make the right choice for keto diet since even the non-starchy vegetables need to be excluded. Potatoes, corn, peas, pumpkin and beans are some examples of starchy foods that you must avoid in order to stay in a state of ketosis. 4. Bank on eggs. Eggs are considered to be the ideal keto food. They are rich in proteins and healthy fats that can be helpful for weight loss in keto diet. The best part about eggs is that they are an extremely versatile food. You can have them fried, boiled, make an omelet, have them with low-carb sandwiches and can even. 5. Be patient. How you feel in the first few weeks of keto diet is not going to be very pleasant. Having patience is the key to following a keto diet. You will begin to see weight loss results in just a few days and that is the biggest motivation to continue following the diet. But the cravings, mood swings, headaches and other side effects that may occur during the first few weeks of following keto diet can make it difficult for beginners to adapt to the diet plan. Take a dietitian or nutritionist's help to make the transition easy for you. Add them to salads.